telling secrets in the dark while drinking whiskey neat. I would fall in a second if you let me, 'cause you're all that I want. Could you let me in? The last drink was the last drink, but I don't wanna leave. I wanna get closer, don't want this night to be over. Wanna get closer, it's not over. Yeah, we could go back to my place, 'cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it, how your touch feels. I love it, how you look at me in my place. No, I don't wanna waste no precious time. You said the last kiss was the last kiss. Make it hard for you to leave. We're telling secrets in between the sheets. I don't want you to leave. I would fall in a second if you let me, 'cause you're all that I want. Could you let me in? The last drink was the last drink, but I don't wanna leave. I wanna get closer, don't want this night to be over. Wanna get closer, it's not over. Yeah, we could go back to my place, 'cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it, how your touch feels. I love it, how you look at me in my place. No, I don't wanna waste no precious time. Don't waste no precious time. Go back to my place. Don't waste no precious time. Go back to my place. Don't waste no precious time. Go back to my place. Don't waste no precious time. Go back to my place. I wanna get closer, don't want this night to be over. Wanna get closer, it's not over. Yeah, we could go back to my place, 'cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it, how your touch feels. I love it, how you look at me in my place. No, I don't wanna waste no precious time.
Protecting my peace for so long, a little too good, now I'm so low. Watching reruns of the same shows, almost every party I'm a no-show. Even with green lights I don't go. Never been sure, no I don't know. How does everybody has to let go of the ego? Don't go out nearly as much as I should. Barely know the way around my neighborhood. I'm ruminating, I feel no good. Not living life like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I know I should. Like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I could. If you would show me, yeah. If you would show me, yeah. If you would show me, yeah. I spent so much time daydreaming, so now I don't know how I'm feeling. Don't know who is the real me. Might need my
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all those great things, then please continue to watch. So the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Geeta Hair. Child, I still don't know if I'm saying that right, but I just like saying Geeta. So that's what I'm gonna say. The unit that they sent me is their, let me find the details. It is their 6 by 4.5 HD lace wig. I have it in 24 inches and it is 250% density. Woo, that explains a lot. That explains a lot. It's 250% density, it's glueless, and it's a kinky curly hair. All right, Alright y'all, so that is basically all the details and specs that I have on this unit. Well, that they sent me about this unit. I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box so you guys can get more details and specs. But honey, I want to get into this lace. Okay, I did create a little style. Like y'all know, I really can't braid, but I can braid a little bit. And I'm symmetrically challenged, so it may not be in the middle like I intended it to, but you get that picture, girl. Okay, you get that picture. I just really wanted to highlight and show this lace because honey, this lace is lacing. I don't know if you can tell, but this lace is lacing. And honestly, I think I could have got away with not applying any adhesive because it also, this wig comes with combs, and you guys know I live for a comb. So I feel like I actually could have got away with it wearing it glueless even with this style, but I could not put my adhesive on there because I just wanted to see. I could tell that lace was just gonna slap down and look good, and honey, I was not disappointed. So I wanted to get into this lace. Also, this is a lot of hair. This is some legit kinky curly hair. It is legit 250% density. Here's a lot. Here's a lot of hair. It's a lot of hair. Now I thought I was gonna have to bleach this wig, y'all. I did not even have to bleach this wig. This wig came completely beginner friendly. All you gotta do is put a girl on. You don't have to bleach it. You don't have to cut no lace. You don't have to do nothing. You don't even gotta add adhesive if you don't want to. You ain't gotta do nothing to this hair but slap it on your head, okay? Like for real. Like this texture, it is a lot of hair, but right now it's getting cold. This is the perfect hair for the winter months. It's the perfect color, it's the perfect hair. It is all the things. Like this type of hair is good winter hair because honey, it's a lot of hair. But consider it a beautiful cap. Consider it a beautiful cap in the winter, okay? Now, as far as shedding and tangling, I did experience some shedding. I did experience some tangling. Nothing to write home about. It is a kinky curly unit. So it wasn't anything that I was like, oh my God, it's shedding. Oh my God, it's tangling. It wasn't that. But I do like to throw it out there so you can't say and tell you because I told you, girl. But it is kinky curly, so I expected it. Now, as far as it being big head friendly, in my opinion, it is. It does have that detachable elastic band, which makes it wide if you need to or snug if you need to. I feel like you can wear this unit across the board, but I only got the head that's on my shoulder. So girl, do what you want to with that because I ain't got no other head to use, okay, as a reference point. So yeah, and I'm an average cap size. So yeah, once again, do with that what you want to do with that. And yeah, that's pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as the full 360, then please continue to watch. I ain't gonna hold you, sis. I ain't really got no con. I ain't got no con. Well, I ain't got no con on the wig. I got a con with my two little braids here that aren't in the middle like I intended. But the hair in itself, I ain't got no con, girl. I ain't got it. The pros are endless. It's beginner friendly. It's the lace literally just melts into your skin. It's big fluffy kinky curly hair, which to me makes it look more natural. Like it's so many. Try to go on and on, but it's the perfect beginner friendly wig, and it's the perfect lazy girl wig, and y'all know you good lace. Okay, I may not be a beginner, but I'm lace. So yeah. Yeah. Obviously, I would recommend this wig. Like you heard my pros. You heard that I ain't even have no cons. So yes, I would recommend this unit. Alright y'all, so let me give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. This is where it comes to me. Keep in mind I am 5'4". This is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if it's a look, it's a vibe. Let me know down below what you guys think. I am interested in your thoughts and opinions. Once again, shout out to you, Geeta, for sending me this unit. I really, truly do appreciate it. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions and feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, go click the subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Health to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see love bugs next time. Bye.
Your love completely. Got every styles and we